Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to enhance an image in Gimp. I personally don't like to manipulate a picture too much when I edit. In this tutorial I will be sharing some of the basic techniques I follow to enhance and improve image quality in Gimp. So without further ado, let's get started. Friends, as you can see I have already imported an image here. First I am going to duplicate this image and also will duplicate the layer. We'll be working on the second image, so let's duplicate the layer. Now let's have a close look of this picture. As you can see, there is a spot around here. Probably there was something in the lens, and as a result this picture has got a spot around here. If you look at it closely, then you can easily see that spot. And then if you look at the people in this picture closely, their faces are not sharpened up, and also they have shadows in their faces. And also overall this picture is not properly exposed. The background looks overexposed, and the foreground, some part of the foreground is not properly exposed. So let's see how much we can improve the quality of this image. So first thing first, we will have to remove the spot. So to do that we will have to use filling brush tool, and I've already increased the brush size, but you can always customize according to your preference. And then hardness, keep it around 70. Yeah, here is the spot. So now we'll have to take the pixel from somewhere here, and just will have to click on top of the spot. Right, so the spot has gone. So now we will have to work on the other things. Let's go to color section here, and then curve. Here we are going to increase the light in the darker side, and then we are going to decrease in the brighter side, so that we'll have proper light in the middle to our subject. And then go to color again, and then label. Here we are going to increase the light a bit. Let's keep it around 15 for now. Right, so now we are going to shadow and highlight section, and from here increase the percentage of the shadows, and decrease the highlight a bit, and decrease the white point adjustment a bit too, radius and compress too. Right, now we are going to saturation. Will be increase the saturation a tiny bit, and then hue chroma. Here we are going to increase chroma a bit, and then light too. Right, and then we're going to color again. clear saturation. Here overall we're going to increase the light a bit and color too. So now we're going to use some filters to improve the sharpness and contrast of this picture. So let's do that. Go to filters and then enhance, overlay decompose, bring down the scale to 2, and go to filters again, enhance, and then noise reduction. Bring down the strength 1 and then duplicate it. Okay. Now we are going to march down the layer and we'll duplicate it again. Go to filters again, noise reduction, bring it down to 2. Now go to filters again and then high pass. Let's increase the standard deviation to 7, 8, yeah, and contrast as well to 1.023, yeah, that should be okay. Hit OK and then go to mode, from there overlay. As you can see, the contrast has been increased a bit. So we are going to march down the layer again. Okay, so go to color again and then brightness and contrast. Here we can increase the contrast a bit. And then go to filters again, enhance and then sharpen. Hit OK because I'm happy with the current setting. Now we are going to colors again, saturation. Then we can improve the saturation a bit, right? Okay. As I've said, I personally don't like to change the picture too much, so I think we have done. But if you want, you can now always use different other options and tools to improve the quality and also enhance the picture. But for this picture, I think it's all right. So let's compare now how it was before and how it is now. So this is the picture before editing and this is the picture after editing. So let's have a close look. This is before, this is after. So friends, this is how you can enhance your pictures using Gimp. I hope this tutorial will help you to improve your editing skill in Gimp. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.